Hey, what is up, guys? I'm back with I'm here with my second video. Other two videos were uploaded by Tyler, but today I'm playing Fishing Planet. Tyler's in here with the
What's
party. He's not playing though.
what's up? I am playing
He's
um the hunter.
yep. All right, so check out my inventory. Everything looks good. I'm using a bass jig with a Senko attached on the hook.
My TV is not too loud, is it?
Um, hmm,
It's not. It's fine.
yeah, it's fine. The only
Well, what?
never mind. All
All
right,
right.
so I'm in the game. Alright, I'm just. Whoa. Somebody just caught a fucking 12-pound Mad Eye Buffalo. As you guys saw in the description for our channel, us fishermen swear a lot. So if you got a problem with it, go and cry to Hillary Clinton.
Exactly. We're not even doing it to be rude. We're just doing it for the fun of it.
Hmm.
Hey, if you guys are fishermen, you guys would understand the pain
And if you guys
of
are
losing a big
fishermen,
fish.
the fishermen watching already know. But if you say you're a fisherman and you've gone like 2 times, then you're not a fucking fisherman. You're just a person with a Barbie rod wondering what the fuck is going on whenever a fish tugs on the rod.
When you think you have a big one, it's a
If I
little
had a boat,
bluegill.
if I had a boat and there was just like a giant log under my favorite spot, I'd hook into it every fucking time I go there and then go like, yeah, this is where I keep losing that big fish. So my uncle
I'm
once
like,
hooked into like a little 3-pound fish and he was like he got mad because it broke off because he was going like, oh, that's my 7-pounder that I could have caught. My dad casts in catches the same fish. It's literally a 3-pounder with my uncle's hook in it. He's I'm not seeing anything. Maybe I should change up. Actually, how much money do I have? I can go to Missouri. That's what I'm gonna do. Alright, just got more money. Are you at the starting hunting location, Tyler?
no,
Are
I'm
you at
not.
which one are you at? Reserve, I meant.
Lake something.
Hmm. Ooh, okay.
I would say you can get on this and we can make a video on this.
But I can't upload videos from Xbox. Can't
Oh yeah,
even
that's
make.
right.
Oh, there's a Carolina rig. Well, Tyler, looks like I'm gonna be visiting you. Uh, alright. License. Missouri. Advanced license is
Sucks that
$400.
I
Alright.
don't have any fishing games on my Xbox, so I can't play
Hmm.
Fishing Sim.
Alright, I can go to Missouri for one day. Shit, did I get catfish? Did I put catfishing shit in my inventory? Now I have so much fucking anxiety on what I put in my inventory. Because last time I hooked into like a 4-pound catfish and it broke me off. Texas makes hunting and fishing a constitutional right. I'm moving to fucking Texas. Like, fuck this place with Governor Cuomo. I'm fucking moving there. Oh, okay, I have. Good. I have the small cup bait. I mean, if they're actually gonna make it a constitutional right, then. It's just like, if you're in lockdown during quarantine, so it's just like, you gotta get back inside. It's just like, I plead the I don't know.
Fourth or Fifth Amendment. No, I'm just kidding. I went to history class. I just don't pay attention.
He also
Cool,
went to
so I don't know
grammar.
where we're.
He also went to grammar class, but he doesn't pay attention in there either.
Shit.
Alright, I'm gonna
No.
forward time.
Yeah, filthy animal. Get back here.
11
Get it,
a.m.
dear.
Okay, it's at 10 a.m. Holy shit, looks like they updated it a little bit, I think. Shit, I just took a screenshot. I forgot how to pull out my goddamn rod stand. There we go. It's 9. I love the nature noises that they have in this game.
Yeah.
It's fucking mint.
Dude.
Mental.
Tomorrow. You already know my idea. I don't know when you're uploading this video, so I
Oh, I'm uploading it
kind of don't
right
want to
after
spoil
this.
my. Alright. Yeah, I'm not gonna say. But you already know what I want to do.
What do I
And then
catch bowfin on? I forgot. Crankbaits and shads. Okay. I got a shad. Fuck. There. God damn it.
Oh shit.
There we go. Alright, got my shit set up. Got my catfishing rod out. Better cast my bowfin rod. Bass also eat this shit too, so. There's trophy bass here. Largemouths. I'd actually love to fish in this place in real life. It would be so nice. I want to catch a bowfin. I hate snakehead, but they just look fun to reel into.
I know. Sometimes they give me the creeps.
Bowfin and snakehead
Like their
look
teeth and
pretty
everything.
like. Have you ever
Oh
caught
yeah.
a
Oh, yeah.
snakehead?
No.
Mm.
I've not even caught a bow.
I'm glad that I haven't caught a snakehead. We don't fucking
Aren't
need
those like
these here. Need those here.
aren't they like really aggressive fish or something like that?
Yeah, they're invasive and they fucking kill other species. Remember when we were trying to kill that lamprey that I hooked into, and then that fucking lady was going like, "No, save the lamprey, or save the fucking
Exactly.
eel."
And your mom was like, just throw it back. It's like we weren't even like why? Because those things are very, 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 very taken over.
And they're just bad.
They want to suck your blood.
It's like I saw a video from Adam Calhoun. He was like reacting to a video on this guy taking a fish that someone caught their property and throwing it back.
Oh yep, I believe I saw that video.
Like whoever the fuck does that, you're the fucking bad person there.
It's like you going up to my dad's pond when I catch a catfish. You shouldn't be doing that on your own property. It can hurt the fish in the pond in the water. Well, listen here, mother trucker. We're the ones that spent.
Well, I mean, a great
Why
comeback is
is it
saying,
rather?
well, their mouths might getting hurt, but it's probably your feelings that are getting hurt the most.
I was actually told that fish kind of like something stupid or something, but
That
my
what?
mom's boyfriend told me that
Told you that what?
fish don't feel pain,
Bruh.
right? It's not, I don't believe that. It didn't much as they do when you're reeling them in.
Oh. I think that was just my line, but it looked like a huge fish just came up.
I left. They couldn't.
Watch him say
They think
fish can't. Watch him say that fish can't feel pressure.
Yeah.
They can't feel pressure because they go down like 500 feet, my dude. I don't know what the hell I just said.
I have from a GoPro for my video.
Yeah, I gotta find my GoPro. Because we're gonna take the boat out pretty shortly.
Oh no.
We're getting the boat set up. Not the bass boat, though. Fucking bass.
Nice.
That thing is probably destroyed.
Having you remember I was having, or just
What? You keep cutting out.
you remember my controller problem I was having?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's doing it again.
Uh,
Time to buy a new controller. Which I don't know why, because I'm not thrown or broken this controller.
yo, if Cuomo ever says that fucking fishing is off limits now, I am actually gonna go there and then fucking yell at him.
Bitch.
I'll probably throw a fishing rod at him and then say, "Here you go, bud. You ever touched one of these?"
Jesus, that's offensive to the fishing rod. Don't do that.
It's true, true. It's not letting me skip forward. Motherfucker.
I'm so
Just wanna skip the fucking time.
just want to like get a good controller from Xbox. Welfare, you got just what I need. Oh, it's Wayfair, not welfare.
Yeah, Wayfair. Imagine if it was welfare. Welfare, I am spending the fucking taxpayers' money.
Welfare, you got everything I need.
Welfare, spending taxpayers'
Alright, I
money.
can make fun of welfare and I make fun of people on welfare. We used to be rich.
Yeah, you can.
So I understand. Not really. I mean, we want
Yo, you keep cutting out.
to get kind of.
Oh my god.
So bad.
Alright, well, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here. So if you liked it, please leave a like and say bye, Tyler.
Yeah. Hey guys, I don't know if he's posting this tune for the.
Alright, Tyler, you keep cutting out.
Okay, yeah.
Alright, well, I guess he's trying to say
Alright.
he's gonna be
See you
posting
guys.
this video and he's not gonna spoil anything.
Either
for his next-
tomorrow
I don't know.
or either tomorrow or Sunday it should be up.
Alright. See you guys.